My depiction of Mrs. Jada Pinkett. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mrs. Jada Pinkett Smith. Yay! Flabbergasted beyond comprehension. The ability to engulf myself in art. To do art. Wait a minute, she's smiling, so we gotta make this a little bigger so we could show those beautiful white teeth. Jada, I gotta show you beautiful white teeth, Jada. Mrs. Jada Pinkett Smith, Mrs. Pinkett, you gotta show your beautiful white teeth. See? See? Art is so easy. It's effortless. It's an effortless process. See? That's what I'm talking about.